Hi guys, we are putting holes in our body. Let's go. Hey Taylor-tots, welcome back to Justice is Served. So today we're gonna put a few holes in our body just because we can. And it's here and it's, you know, there's different experiences for different people. Some people do body modifications for tattoos. Some people do it like fillers, which I would never know what that's like. But, so Lee wanted to get a daith piercing for migraines, which is this right here. So he has been on the search while we were visiting here in El Paso. So we are going to get it done. So I'm going to film it to where it's easy so you can see what happens. It's going to be quick, to the point, done. I'm actually going to get the reverse, I can't remember what it's called. It's not a rook. Anyway, we'll figure it out. All right, let me get it on here. Oh, reverse helix. There we go. All right, one moment.
What?
Yay!
When you gonna do it?
It's already done.
What?
Yeah.
I told
No.
you, it doesn't hurt. It's just pressure.
Are you kidding me? You didn't warn me. I thought you were gonna say 1, 2, 3. No? Swear, it's done.
It's done. She's just putting the ring in.
Wow, that looks like it hurt.
Wow.
Really, that didn't hurt at all?
Are you kidding me? Is it done?
Yeah. You didn't even bleed. Oh, now I see it, but it didn't bleed at the beginning.
Wow, that looks
No, it doesn't hurt at all.
That's pretty cool.
Well, I'm glad you went first. I feel better now.
I don't know if it's this lighting, but your foundation looks like it's the wrong shape.
Well, he sprayed me. Tell him what you did to me.
No, I did. Oh.
The spraying and you smudge everything.
We're done? Wow, she's right.
I feel like my heart rate's
It's so calming, isn't it? Oh, it did?
Yeah. Still not as bad as a conch piercing, but we didn't feel lovely.
This is.
It's so great.
I just said she's such a gentle touch.
You know what I mean? Like justice.
Yeah, I'll show you my hoops when I'm. Oh, she's got them. I chose one that's really like more hidden, and then another one that's like blue diamonds in it. And these are real diamonds, just so you know.
So once it gets healed, I'm gonna put the little stud on here, so she's just a little dot right there, just looking like I accidentally got a little glitter on the face. But all right, guys. So thank you for joining. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. You know what? This costs money, girl, and I know y'all want to pay for it. So there's a heart with a $ sign on it called a super thanks. Make sure you drop some coins. Hey Taylor-tots. So I am here in the hotel after an amazing day, and we went to the piercing shop to get our piercings done, and as you can see, here's what it looks like. She's a little tender, but you know what, it's all right. We had such a good time, but I came here, took a shower, cleaned the piercing, but yeah, we had such a great time. The event was amazing. We rocked it out. I don't think that you guys understand how hard these teens here worked, and it's so much fun to get an opportunity to, I guess, just come in here and really just like celebrate with them. I mean, we talk about it every day of how great people are doing, but to be here when they hit that goal and achieving such huge milestones, it's so awesome. It's so great. And we had a blast. And, being able to peel away for a minute to go get our piercings was great, because we had a chance to hop out, go get it done, and come back and help clean up before we left to come and get dinner and, decompress and all that stuff. But one thing I want to share with you is how I like to end a stressful week, or a very busy week, or a busy day, or a stressful day, whatever it may be. And I need to cut my hair, girl. But the way I like to end my week, whether it's stressful in a good way or stressful in a bad way, no matter what it is, because you know what, it's all stress. But not all stresses are bad stresses. So the good thing is I personally, when the week is done, I love to go and take a really warm shower, decompress, take some breaths, really just reflect on how awesome the week was. Was there anything that I want to put on my plate for the next week? And, just truly letting go of everything and just knowing the week is done. There's nothing else I can do about the week. Let's go. It's time to move on. And just truly being able to, I guess, enjoy the moment. And I will tell you, this was such an amazing week and so much talent. And, it was so great to be able to see so many people and get to know some new faces and come in and just, celebrate. I mean, I know it sounds crazy and I'm saying celebrate a lot, but, I'm not going to talk about business or anything like that on here, but just know these teams worked so hard and they not only hit their goal, but they overachieved. And I'm so proud of how hard they worked. And Graciela, great job. My boss did an amazing job. He's such a great support for everybody. He is always so hands-on with each and everything that we do to make sure that we're all successful. So, it was a great week. It was so awesome. And dinner was fantastic. I was like, you know what? I'm, been eating crap all week. Not complete crap, but I haven't been eating great. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to eat one last thing. And then that way I'll start back tomorrow. You know how it goes. So I ate a Wagyu beef burger. The good thing is their portion sizes aren't very big. So I only ate half the burger. I ate some Fundito cheese, like stringy cheese. I ate some of that, and then it had like a very small portion of French fries. But yeah, it's been good. I need to shave my head, girl. My hair is growing. I look crazy as hell, especially at this angle. Little girl. But yeah, so you know what? I don't know if it helps you to take a long shower, if that really, if this mindset, try it, see what you think, leave in the comments. Is there anything that you do to just close out the week, other than a glass of wine, of course, to close out the week and start new and just really reflect on the good, bad, the ugly, and the amazing. And again, not everything has to be done this week. There's always an opportunity to just sit down, write out your priorities, make sure you're achieving them, and don't get bogged down on something that maybe you wasn't able to get done, because as long as you're prioritizing things the way that they should be, it'll all happen in time. It will fall into place. It's like Legos. It's gonna happen. Don't stress. Just enjoy the day, because when you're stressing about it, you end up not getting anything done. And for me, when you close out the week, it's done. There's nothing else you can do. I cannot, on a Monday, fix last Monday. There's no way. There's no way. So you know what? Start your day with the right mindset of writing your priorities out, tackling the ones that you can, but don't beat yourself up for not getting to everything. It's okay. It's okay. Because just know, when you're beating yourself up, it means that you're going to have a harder time with achieving anything else. Okay? You're doing a great job. You got this. You can do it. And you know what it's about? Healthy eating as well, for me. You know what? I'm not I didn't like all the crap I ate. And the good thing is it's not like I was like, oh man, I really missed this. And that's where I know that it's different than when it was before. And I've said this before about it being a different type of eating healthy, but this time it truly does feel different because the food that I ate this time, I ate it, but at the same time, it's like, I never once was like, wow, I really missed eating this. And I know I don't miss how I felt when I was eating it because I haven't felt great. And I really do feel that it's because of the crap I was eating. So, you know what? Lesson learned. But all right, guys, I am going to head to bed now, which you're watching it the next day. So sorry about it, girl. But make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Send my videos to your friends and family. If it's something they need to hear or just need to pick me up for the day, make sure if you absolutely love the video, there is a heart with a $sign on it. It's for a super thanks. And thank you all for your super thanks that you've been sending, and also your Cash App and your Venmos and all the presents and all the fabulosity. But you know what, guys? I fly home tomorrow. I can't wait to see Chris and to see all our fur babies and just be home and start the work week over. You know how it goes, guys. Well, all right. Well, I'll see you all tomorrow at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. And just remember, you're worth it, and you cannot have an amazing tomorrow until you fix your mindset today. All right, guys. See you later.